Hello, today is Wednesday, December 9th. Doing a little update for our construction process. A lot of the finished surfaces are completed. You can see the detail on the reception desk as we walk in. All the columns have been completed, grouted, and our finished product. The T-bars for the drop ceilings have been installed. I'll take you into this is the men's room we're going to walk into. You can see the flooring and the wall tile. The floors are just about complete and ready for carpet. Drop ceiling has been installed in the poker, including the lights. So just waiting for the tiles, but the floor is complete. The casino will have 153 slot machines, 5 table games. All of the carpet ready for install. Guys are finishing off the face of the bar. Can't get enough of the view outside. The bar will have 6 video poker machines slotted in the bar. The table games area will have 1 roulette table and 4 blackjack style games. 4 TVs for the sports book. Sports betting will take place right here in the cage window. And you can look back over the completed floor. For the casino will open up in January 2016. I look forward to seeing you all here.